Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will explain the lesson plan for English subjects with the topic short message announcement notice. And the time allocation for this lesson is 90 minutes. In this lesson plan, there are core competencies that include Key I1 to Key I4, and the basic competencies and indicators or learning objectives that are arranged in this lesson include operational taxonomy Bloom verbs from C1 to C6 in the cognitive domain, and some from the affective domain like A1, A3, A4, and A5, and some from the psychomotor domain like P3 and P5. In learning material, there are social function and text structure and linguistic feature of short message announcement notice, and the topic is exemplary behavior of polite, caring and displaying it. In the learning method, the approach used in this lesson is the scientific approach, and the method or strategy is discovery learning, and the techniques in these lessons are observing, questioning, experimenting, assessing, and communicating. The learning media in this lesson are pictures, slides, and bulletin boards, and the tools are whiteboard and notebook. Learning source for this lesson are teachers' books and students' book of Class 8 English, When English Rings a Bell, Ministry of Education and Culture. Also English Dictionary, Experience of Students and Teachers. The teaching learning activity for these lessons has been arranged in this table from set introduction to closing. In this learning activity will be divided into 3 sessions. The first is the introduction, the second is main activity, the last is conclusion. In the introduction session contains orientation, a perception, motivation, and stating objectives. In the main activity session, there are activities such as observing, questioning, experimenting, assessing, communicating. At the end, conclusion, students are given the opportunity to express the difficulties encountered when carrying out learning. And teacher guides students to reflect on the activities they have done by concluding the material being studied. The teacher informs the activity plan at the next meeting. Assessments for getting the final score will be from observation, knowledge and psychomotor aspects for written text as shown in these tables. That's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.